Hello, my name is Roy and I'm going to walk you through how to use Jobs for Humanity for your 60-day free trial. It is an open trial with unlimited access and unlimited hires. During your welcome call, we've created an account for you. So you would have received an email in your inbox called Welcome to SmartRecruiters. Please go to it and then click on Access SmartRecruiters. SmartRecruiters is the applicant tracking system that we use in the back end in order to manage candidates and jobs. Here I've created a demo account and I'll create a password. You can upload a photo as well if you'd like. Once you're in, you're going to see this homepage. I would recommend to go to the People page, and then in the People page you'll see there is at the moment 200,000 job seekers and a growing number. Click on this and make it your homepage so that when you log back in you can come to here to this page directly. If you ever want to log back in, just go to jobsforhumanity.com, click on sign in as an employer, and with this bookmark you'll find yourself directly in the People page. You will not have a job to get started. You'll have a lot of candidates. You want to start by creating a job, or through the partnership we'll go through your career page and publish all the jobs on your site. To create a job, I'll give you a quick tutorial. Enter the job title, let's say product designer, my company description, and then here you'll find examples of product designer roles in case you'd like to use them, and then you can tab right and left, find one you like and import it, edit it any way you like. You can enter a video as well. Under company, please select other in this case, unless you find your company name in here. And if you'd like your job published on these our various job sites, then just please say yes to all, or if any of them for any community you cannot hire from, then select no. If you have an external job ad link, enter it. If not, that's not required. Your company name, let's say Democo. Is this role remote, within the country or not? Fill the rest, hit next. From here, keep the button distribute the job to the major aggregators, put yourself as the recruiter. If you have other colleagues that you'd want to invite, they need to be signed on and have an account as well, and then you'll be able to add them. So I can add my colleague Dalal here as the executive, add her to the team. Once I do this, I publish the job. The next couple of tabs, there's an advertise page. You can skip it directly. You could publish it on various social networks if you'd like to, or go straight to it. Now, over the next few days, you will receive candidates into your product designer role. When we go to jobs, now you're going to find your job. You'll have access to just see various jobs, but you want to always go here to the My Active tab. Publish your job. You can just click through, and then you'll be able to see the job ad that you've created published right here. And then you can also check our job sites. So if you go to www.blind.jobs, then you get to our campaign for the blind, and you'll find your job here next time the job sites refresh. So within a day, they'll be published here or on refugee.jobs, depending on where you set yes versus no while creating the job. You can always access all the job sites right here, right on the home page, and you've got access to all these jobs. You also can access all the candidates. Once you click on people, you'll be able to see a full talent database with a whole lot of filters. So you can search, for example, for a UX UI designer. You could also use Boolean queries. And I'll give you a quick crash course on how to use it. It's and, or, and not operators. So now when I look for UX, UI, or product designers, I'm going to find 5,200. If I said UX, UI, and, which is not necessarily what I'm looking for because that does limit me, it takes me down to 475. But what you could do with, for example, Figma. And now we're up to 957 job seekers. You can look for job seekers in a particular location. And so if you're looking for them in the United States, you can put entire countries. You will find a subset of those job seekers. Or you can look for some within a particular city. So if I look within New York, for example, and I say within 10 miles, 10-mile radius, I'll find 3 candidates. Within a 50-mile radius, I'll find a few more. Next, you can save your search. So you can access it every time. And you have additional filters. So for example, you can scroll down to screening questions. What community do you most identify with? And then pick a community that you want to hire from, let's say single parents. And here you'll find 14,135 and you can search through them. So single parent with Java and Python skills. We're down to 459. One thing that is quite helpful is that we have a match score for all candidates vis-a-vis all jobs. So jump back to the jobs page and take a look at any job. So you always want to be under My Active because that's the job where you have full access to. But take a look at another job where a candidate, 49 candidates have applied to this role in Amsterdam. And you'll see a match score. So you can click on Rank by Match Score and you'll see the best matching candidates. So you'll be able to see that for your jobs as well. You click on a candidate and you'll see the breakdown of that match score vis-a-vis the job description that you've put up. Years of experience, relevant skills, profile, and then you can message the candidate if you have full access to the candidate because they applied to your role. Last thing that I want to show you is click on the settings in admin and then set up your email preferences. This will allow you to adjust the alerts that you receive when a new candidate applies in order to limit the number of emails that you receive if you'd like. And finally, you can also change the language of your system in case you wanted to change it to any of the other languages that we provide thanks to SmartRecruiters. That's it. Enjoy your hiring.